So you can hold on to this and you're going to put both your feet on that side and slowly step down like a ladder. That's it. Slowly go down.
Agush, Adwar, right. Left, Agush.
I'm going to forget. I'm going to forget in 5 seconds. Okay, everybody, making sure you're holding onto that yellow ball.
Okay, ciao, ciao. See you. Bye-bye.